Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide tagged photos on Facebook using your mobile device. So if you are using Android or iOS, that's not a problem. You can follow these simple steps, okay? So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So there are two methods or ways that you can do this. So I'm going to show you the first method first, okay? So as you can see, this user tagged me on his or her post. So if you want to remove your profile or remove tag, just click on this three little dots on the upper right side of the post, then click remove tag and then OK. So as you can see, you are no longer tagged in this post. This post may still appear in other places on Facebook. Then the second method or way to do this, just click on these three little lines on the lower right side of your screen and then scroll down until you see under audience and visibility, you can see profile and tagging. So click on that. Then here you want to click who can see post you're tagged in on your profile. And then here click more and then click only me. And also you can choose other options like friends of friends, friends except, so then specific friends. Okay, so that's how you do it, and I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.